Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to correctly update software on your Sony TV. First, press Home button to go to the Start page. Then, press right arrow key until you are in the Quick Settings menu. Make sure that your TV is connected to the Wi-Fi or select one from the list. Once you are connected, select Settings. In Settings, navigate down to System Settings. Then, in System Settings, open About, and then select System Software Update. Make sure that the automatic update check is enabled, so make sure that this toggle is switched to the right, and then select Software Update. Let your TV search for the latest software, and if it finds any, it will start downloading and install it. Select Update this software, or if you want to know more about this update, select the first option. Then you can either wait until your TV is updated, you can select Continue in the background if you want to continue watching your TV or continue setting up something else on your TV, or you can cancel the update by selecting the respective option on the screen. I'm gonna wait until the update is complete. Okay, so now that the software update is downloaded, I can close this application, and now if you want to install it, you have to turn off your TV, and then turn it on again to start the update. And after a reset, your TV will be fully updated. If you want to check whether the update was installed, go to Settings, navigate down to Systems section, then go to About, then select System Software Update, let your device search for the latest software once again, and if your device is up to date, it will let you know. So, at this point, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.